Day 22 of being a chef on a yacht. The guests are going on a day trip today, so I packed them lunch. I'm making pastrami on rice sandwiches and packing a whole bunch of snacks. I threw some vegetables, fruit, and chips into the cooler and then started making breakfast. I'm making avocado toast and acai bowls. So into the blender I threw in the acai, mango, and a little bit of almond milk. Plated up my avocado toast and garnished my acai bowl with some granola, almond butter, and coconut flakes. And breakfast is served with a side of Captain Mark humor. After breakfast, I started prepping for dinner. I'm making a nice big Greek salad, roasted bell peppers, and then also cut up some carrots and potatoes to roast as well. Then I seasoned up my leg of lamb, just with some olive oil, salt, pepper, rosemary, and some lemon. The guests got back and they were a bit hungry, so I made some hummus for them to snack on. After that, I made tzatziki sauce with Greek yogurt, lemon juice, garlic, cucumbers, and feta. Crushed up pecans for some baklava. And for cocktail hour, I made spanakopita and served it with champagne on the bow of the boat. I got my lamb out of the oven and then let it rest in some tin foil. Dressed my salad with olive oil, red wine vinegar, and some tahini. And don't forget to season your salads. After about 20 minutes of resting, I went ahead and cut into the lamb. It was gorgeous. I put the lamb on top of the roasted potatoes, carrots, bell peppers, and some spinach, and dinner served. We had an anniversary tonight, so gold was the theme of the table. Served the baklava, and then cleaned up the galley with these jokesters. Bye, little chef.